Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a Valentine's Day coffee bar, and already I have added a few accessories that are just kind of more of a pain to put up, especially if I have to stand on a chair. So I am just going to go ahead and we're going to start on the top shelf, but let me just tell you really quick what I had already added. First off, I added this really cute table runner. It has little dogs on the side of it, right there. I got this a couple of years ago. I believe it was from Ross. And I had this key to my heart. I'm actually uncertain where I found it, but I do have a couple of these galvanized hearts that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this year. This strand of flowers I got at Michael's, and this year I thought it'd be really cute to add in some greenery, especially since it has a little bit of the purples and pinks. I love that. And on this shelf I actually found this. I believe it's a scarf or a shawl. It was in the Target dollar spot this year, and I think it's really good quality. It was only $5, so I thought that was really nice. Then I found this Kiss Me heart, and it's like a little plaque. It's like glass or ceramic. I found this at the Goodwill for $1.99, and I got that probably about 4 months back. Along with this heart, this one actually came from, I believe it was the Dollar Tree, but I got this a couple of years ago. Now last year I used this pink heart right here. I used it for the second shelf, and that I believe came from a dollar store. It was either the 99-cent only store or a Dollar Tree. So I just thought, you know what, actually I'm going to put it on the top shelf because what I decided to put up there, it goes absolutely perfect with. So we're going to be incorporating some greenery, some flowers, and we are going to get started. And I'll go ahead and get started on the very top shelf. Alright, so starting with the top shelf, we're going to go ahead and dress it up with this piece of lace. And it is also going to be accompanied by this doily that has a little bit of pink on it. I'm loving the pink. Next, I picked up this cherub. I found him at an antique store, and he was only $15. Okay. Next, I scored at the Goodwill. I got these flowers. They were actually, I got a total of 3 bunches. They were $1 a bunch. So I'm going to be using 2 of them, and I kind of pressed them up so that way they could be more fluffy. Let me show you. I'm just going to kind of tuck those in there. Okay. And then because we added green on the first shelf, I just went on ahead and got these greeneries at Hobby Lobby. I believe they're $6.99, but I always get everything half off or use the coupon. I never pay full price. So these were $3.50. And then I'm just going to tuck them right in there, right on top of each bunch. There we go. And that top shelf is now complete. Let's go ahead and go to the second shelf. Okay, so now on the second shelf, I want to add a little bit of green on here. And I'm also going to be incorporating some gold since the angel has some gold on him. I'm going to go ahead and incorporate gold on each shelf. So first thing I'm going to do, this is going to be my green. Just this little cute vase. It was from Home Goods last year, and I believe it was like $9.99, but these go really fast. So if you want one, you got to go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls, and they go real fast. So I just went on ahead and strung some pearls on here because I just thought that was a really cute touch. And then this spot right here, every holiday I always struggle with just this little spot. I always find everything to go perfect except for here. So I decided I'm just going to go ahead and use these books when I was doing a DIY. And I wish I had a thicker marker, but it was like a little Sharpie that I was using, but I wrote Love Never Fails 1348, and I just did a heart on the top with some twine wrapped around them, and then kind of distressed it a little bit with some gray. So I thought they actually came out really cute. So I'll put those there. And next, I always tell you guys this, if you shop off season, you can find really good deals. Right after Christmas, I went to Home Goods and I found this plate. It was normally $7. It was on clearance for $4. I mean, it's not a huge savings, but it's still a savings that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stand right here. And I'm going to use this jar. I originally got it for Christmas time, but I forgot about it. So I just put some hot cocoa in there. And this is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day because it could go either or. Walmart for I think $3.74. And it comes with this scoop. So I'm just going to hang the little scoop off this bracket back here. And I think that looks cute. Okay, so I have this, and then I thought it would be really cute to add this little jar that says sweets. I picked it up in the Target dollar spot this year. I'm pretty sure it was $5. I'm pretty sure that's how much it was. And for those of who know me or who've been watching my decorating, I hate when there's a lot of empty space. I know a lot of people like more of the simple look, and you could do more of the simple look, but I don't like that look. I like a little bit more of the cluttered look. I think it looks better. So I'm going to add in a couple of things right here, but to bring in the gold from the top shelf, I'm going to go ahead and add in this little heart, and it has gold specks, and I just think that's really cute. Oh, my picture here. I'm going to add in my picture. All right, I'm going to be adding in this picture. It says, "Bless his home and all who enter," and it has this gold font. I picked this up at Cracker Barrel last year around Valentine's Day, and I love it. So I'm just going to hang that up here, just like that. Okay, and like that, just like so. And I think that's cute. It's not overpowering with gold, it's just a little gold here on the font, this heart, and then I'll have a little bit on the bottom shelf too. But for right here, I just used this little cupcake stand. I'm not sure if this was in the Target dollar spot or no, I got this at the at-home store. So I'm not sure what I paid for it. I have to drive to another city to go to the at-home store since they don't have one here. They are building one here, but I don't have one yet. So I just added this little cupcake that says "I love you," and I just think that is so cute. Now to me this looks complete. Actually, I should add some flowers in, but that might be a lot overcrowded. So to me this one's done. All right, let's go ahead and get to the bottom shelf. As far as the bottom shelf goes, I have a table runner that I added, and then I'm going to add this little tray. And I picked this up at Walmart during Christmas time, and it has a little bit of a gold trim. They have the same one at Target, but it's double the amount, so this one's cheaper. And what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to add my coffee pods, and I just picked this up, and it has a little sticky spot on it. Okay. I picked this up at an antique store a few years back. So, and I haven't used it, and I just thought that that would be really cute to use. And then to bring in the gold, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this love sign. And then let's get to decorating this. So, this jar came from Target. It was in the Hearth and Hand, I believe. Actually, I took the sticker off. I don't think it was Hearth and Hand, but it was in like where close to like the bedclothes are or something. I'm not sure. But anyways, it was a jar for $5. I added my creamer to this jar. I'm just going to place that right there. And this, well, let me just start with the top one. Actually, here we go. And I have this really cute cup. It says BU. I loved it because it had pink inside. And I put all these little coffee stirrers in there. They have XOXO, love, and I just thought that was really cute. There's that. And then I did pick up this little set of gnomes. And I'm not sure why, but, well, I'll tell you why. I thought this was the girl and this was the boy. I'm like, oh, there's a girl and a boy, how cute. And it has a little lipstick kiss on his nose. And then later on, it's like, wait a second, that girl has a beard. I don't know if it's a girl with a beard or if they're just both boys and is wearing pink. I'm not sure. But nevertheless, I thought they were very cute. So I just picked them up at Hobby Lobby. They were $7.99, but I got them 40% off. So I did get those 40% off. I'm going to decorate the bottom part, but I just want to zoom in on this part and make sure you guys can see it. But I'll do that right after I'm done with this top shelf. This also came from Hobby Lobby, made with love and a little rolling pin. If you guys didn't know, I absolutely love rolling pins. And I just did a DIY with rolling pins. It's already up on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. It's super cute. But I love that little rolling pin, so I just put it right there. And it's going to be with these little hearts right here. Well, the beads with the heart. Once again, Hobby Lobby. Let me see. Go. Hold on. Now I need to undecorate it to get under here for these beads to kind of hold. I'm just going to wrap it around the jar. Then I'm going to put this back. There we go. And the little gnome guy, or girl. Girl with the beard, or a boy. There, and I just thought that was so cute. I loved it. And you know what? Because I do love flowers, and I still want to bring in some green, I just got these little stems, and I cut this and bent these ones, and I'm just going to shove them in here. Alright, and it brings in the pink and the green, and I actually really like the green too. So let me zoom in a little closer so you guys can see this bottom shelf. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just move that gnome real quick. And then I picked up this little picture at Hobby Lobby. Home Goods last year, and it just has a little bit of extra creamers in it. I just got it because I just thought it was really pretty, so I'm just going to put that back there. And this little bowl, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really faint pink with some hearts on it. I don't know if that's too close for you guys, but it's pink with hearts. It's just very, very faint pink. And then I'm going to add my little guy on this side, I believe. Because I want him catty corner from the other one. But I just want you to be able to see him. There we go. And then this little cute sign, loads of love. I absolutely love this. Found this at Hobby Lobby, $3.99, and of course 40% off always. And last but certainly not least, a little bit of greenery. This, and you know what, if a little bit of this falls out of a plant, like let's just say even like a little piece like that, I always save it. I never throw it away because I'll need some, and I don't want to buy a big plant for like a little piece of it. So I always save it. So this is going to go right behind this little truck. First I'm going to drop it. There we go. And you know, all it does, I'm just putting it behind there just so when you walk by you don't see the back of it. That's the only reason why I'm putting it on there. And then you can see a little bit out the side and it looks cute. And then I just got these little bushes, and I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in here, just where I think it needs it. Just like that. And just like that. I think that looks actually really cute. I love that. And I did have, oh, here's like a little pink flower that came off of something. I'm not sure even what it was. But I'm just going to go ahead and just put him right in here just as like a little filler. And that's that. Now let me go ahead and just show you guys everything. Okay guys, here is the overview of my coffee bar. I'm sorry there's a glare on that picture, but I'll go up close to it so you guys can see it better. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.